Hi traders, today let's discuss US 500, 130, and specifically I wanted to point your attention to the fact that we are pretty bearish now on daily, and it's important to understand that this level is no immediate support. It's the situation I discussed on gold on during previous week. If you want, please check that idea, but yes, we are bullish on US 100, 530, but we are in this big monthly impulse. And now what the market is doing, it's approaching this monthly demand zone. And what's interesting is that this level, this low is just barely above the zone. And what happens is a strong side of the market usually can use to its advantage this liquidity that lies below. So this is sell side liquidity, and they can use it to close some profits from the sell positions here or to use it in other directions as they want. But the fact is, when something like this happens, so we have a zone, clear zone, unmitigated, so there is a reason to come back and mitigate it, close orders there, and then the market forms a low. It can be and usually will be used as an area for manipulation before going more to the downside. And we can see it clearly on this chart. So you see, a weak side of the market treated these levels as support, okay? And notice what happened every time with the market. So and why it happened? Because it started, so this is the weekly chart, the market started to shift bearish on daily. So it became bearish on daily, and it was obvious, of course. And instead, people just expected the support levels to act immediately, and they didn't. So people, I mean a weak side, yeah, I mean weak side of the market, which can include different participants, including banks and institutions. So they wanted this support to act immediately, and they buy here. But what we need to do if you want to be long on these markets right now, on from the swing trading perspective or day trading perspective, instead of just entering into buy positions, you need to wait for some reshifts on your time frames, like daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, okay? Because you will be trapped in this exact situation. So market patterns repeat, and you see this was looking like a perfect support, and it even reacted a bit, but then just redistributed into it. Again, perfect support just went through, okay? Perfect support or this perfect support, we had some reactions, but now it looks like this will be just a redistribution on daily. So something like we see here, like a reaction and then impulse to the downside. Some reaction to move to the upside, redistribution. Move to the upside, redistribution, upside, redistribution. So, and right now we need to understand and just see for the fact that on daily we shifted bearish on 500, on 100, and US 30 they are very correlated. And now we are in this bearish impulse, which started from here, and now it's here. And now it's in this area that weak side of the market will treat as immediate support. They will want to find the bottom. And maybe maybe it's the bottom. But usually what happens is market reacts a bit or even will perform a bigger pullback up to here, and then just continue with established trend right now. If you pay attention to the price action, you will notice these bearish shifts. Shift bearish, now bearish. So, and plus we have some context from the monthly. So yeah, we are historically very bullish, but now we have this context to go and mitigate at least something here. So at least something in this range to mitigate, and then maybe perform an accumulation, and then maybe shift. And of course, our long target is this, like 5K is our long-term target, but we need to wait for a reshift. And we need to understand how it works. And how it works is just, it can, so my main expectation is like this. So usually market accelerates into support, okay, accelerates into it, or something like this, okay. Again, it's not like a signal. I just wanted to give this overall situation we have right now on these instruments. And yeah, overall immediate bias is bearish. And if you want to be bullish, you should at least wait for 4 hour reshift back bullish, and it will happen if price will go here at least, because now we are in this bearish impulse. Okay, I hope it maybe helps, and send your questions. Thanks.